everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Inspire Art Linkings. Welcome to this easy drawing tutorial. Today we will be sketching a girl reading a book. Grab your pencil and let's get started. Begin by drawing an oval shape for the head. This will be the foundation of our character. Below the head, sketch a rectangle or triangle for the torso. This helps position the body. Next, add simple lines for the arms, bending them at the elbow to show her holding the book. For the legs, use basic shapes like rectangle or ovals to indicate the sitting position. Now, let's add facial expression or features. Draw two small circles for the eyes, a small curve for the nose, and gentle line for the mouth. Don't forget to give her some hair, flowing down or styled up. Sketch the book in the hands. Draw a rectangle shape and add some lines to show the pages. You can add details like a bookmark or decorative elements on the cover. Now outline her clothing, perhaps a simple dress or t-shirt. Add details like sleeves, patterns, or pockets to make more interesting. Go over your drawing, refining the lines and erasing any unnecessary shapes. Add shadings to give depth to her hair and the book. And there you have it, a simple yet charming sketch of a girl reading a book. Keep practicing and don't forget to add your unique touches. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this tutorial, please like and subscribe for more drawing tips.